Hey, loves! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something that's long overdue, our closets. You know, that space in your room that somehow turns into a black hole of mismatched clothes and pieces that you haven't touched in years. Let's face it, clothes carry energy. The things we hold on to, even if they're shoved in the back of the closet, can reflect our past. Maybe it's that dress you bought during a different phase of your life, or those jeans that you promised yourself you'd fit into again one day. Step 1. The full purge. Take it all out: clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, everything. The only way to see what's serving you is to face it all at once. It may seem overwhelming, but trust me, it's a vital step. Step 2. Make 3 distinct categories. Let's break it down. A keep pile for your must-haves that bring you joy and fit your current style. A let-go pile for items that are outdated, ill-fitting, or just not you anymore. And a maybe pile for those pieces you're unsure about. We'll revisit the maybe pile later with a fresh perspective. Step 3. Try everything on. Yup, try it on. Sometimes an item looks cute on the hanger but doesn't work on your body, or vice versa. This step is crucial for making confident decisions about what stays and what goes. Now that we've got a fresh canvas, let's talk about your style and redefine your wardrobe. It's time to be intentional. Think of this as curating a gallery. You're choosing the pieces that deserve to be showcased. Step 1. Visualize your signature style. Create a vision board for your style. Browse Pinterest, flip through magazines, or save images from Instagram that truly speak to your personal aesthetic. Ask yourself, does this look reflect who I want to be? Define the key elements, whether it's timeless elegance, soft feminine details, or bold and minimalist looks. Let that guide your choices. Step 2. Set your wardrobe goals. What's the goal for your wardrobe? Is it to feel more polished for work, to embrace a minimalist aesthetic, or to look effortlessly chic every day? Setting goals helps you stay on track when editing your wardrobe and when making future purchases. Step 3. Define a color palette. Choose a color palette that feels like you. It's okay if you want to keep it neutral or add some bold pops of color. Just make sure it's cohesive. Having a consistent color scheme will make mixing and matching so much easier. Let's talk about the wardrobe essentials that will become the backbone of your style. Think of these as your go-to pieces that are versatile and high quality. A wardrobe built on elevated basics is always chic. It's all about finding those high-quality staples that can be dressed up or down. Like a crisp white shirt, well-fitted jeans, and a classic trench coat. Let's talk organization strategies that work. Now that we've curated our selection, let's make sure our closet stays that way. Group your clothing by category: workwear, casual, and evening outfits. This will save you time when choosing an outfit, and it'll also help you notice if one area needs more attention. Use stylish storage solutions like clear bins for accessories and matching hangers for a uniform look. It makes the closet feel like a personal boutique. Rotate out-of-season items to keep your main space dedicated to what you'll actually wear now. This keeps your closet from feeling overcrowded. To keep your closet curated, here are a few habits to adopt. Adopt the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring in, take one out. This helps you avoid accumulating things you don't really need. Commit to quarterly edits. Go through your wardrobe every 3 months to reassess what's working and what isn't. Your style evolves, and your closet should evolve with it. Practice mindful shopping. Only buy what fits your style goals. No more impulse buys that don't align with your vibe. And there you have it, babes. Your Wardrobe Detox 101. A curated closet isn't just about the clothes. It's about setting the tone for your life, starting each day with intention, and radiating confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your detox journey in the comments below. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.